So because in a way, what you describe, it's things that I can do on an opportunity level as well and create actions there, and I can do it on an account level. So therefore, I don't need necessarily to have an account plan. And but there's definitely an advantage in having the overall picture of the account. One question I would have is, and what challenges is there is accounts with a lot of locations. And you can create account plans for each of the locations, or you can create an overall account plan for multiple locations. And that's really hard in Salesforce to kind of do.
Yeah, nearly impossible. And so there's ways to have, it also depends on how you actually divide out your kind of selling. Sometimes it's based by region, or sometimes it's based on product. Depends on how you build that out, on how that would play in together. So there's different ways to cut and slice and dice that, and have it all still under that same opportunity, or the same account over all of the different opportunities there. But these guys are super easy to work with. Be like, this is what I want. We've done that many times.